My name is Margie Stewart. I'm one of the automotive instructors here at CVTC. I want to talk to you a little bit today about air filters. It's one of those maintenance items that you should check underneath your vehicle to make sure that the air getting into your engine is nice and clean. So on this particular vehicle, we've got two clips that we're going to remove. Pop the cover off. Then I'm able to access the air filter itself. Typically they go about 10,000 miles-ish, depending on the roads that you drive on. If you drive on gravel roads a lot, you're gonna need to change those more often. You can see this one here is a little bit dirty and probably at some point in time needs to be replaced. You also want to clean out the inside area where the air filter actually lives. Make sure that there's no leaves or dirt or anything in here as well. And then install the new filter. Make sure the cover seals completely. Air filters are located in all different parts on the engines. A lot of them are on the left and right side. The big snorkel is typically what you're going to look for coming away from the engine is where you're going to find the air filter. If you don't have this big air snorkel that comes away from the engine, typically it's going to be right on top of the engine itself. If you have any questions on the automotive programs or would like to learn more about vehicles, please visit our website at cvtc.edu. Thank you.